Good afternoon, everyone. So, I'm Alok, I'm the founder of Educase. We have been working with schools and preschools for over 7 years now. We have been helping them with two things. One is an end-to-end school management system, which is also a franchisee management system. So brands like Sri Chaitanya, they use our tech at the back end for a few of their business verticals. Then we work with Jain Group of Institutes, JGI schools from Bangalore. Similarly, we do it with a lot of chains, a lot of preschool chains from Tamil Nadu also. That's one segment of ours. The other thing that we do is social media marketing. Now with social media marketing, why are we talking about this? So I'm going to give you a guideline on how can you as school principals, directors, achieve more admissions without spending a single penny on ads. How can we do it without ads is the game. Because whenever we talk to a marketing agency, now they come and tell us, sir, you need to have a good website, ma'am, we need to do website SEO. But when you are looking for something, let's say you are looking for a restaurant, how do you find a restaurant? If you are supposed to find a restaurant in Cathedral Road, how will you find it? Restaurants in Cathedral Road, right? That is what we do. Then what Google gives us? Google gives us three results. One is, and what you do, you tap on it, you check the photos, you check the reviews, and then you are like, still I don't trust it. What is the next thing that you do? You open Instagram, search for that restaurant name, and try to see what they have posted. Have any of you done this process anytime to find a restaurant, hospital, hotel, or if you are going to a new city to explore, have you done it? This is what is called user persona. This is what we call what a human does. Similarly, when this kind of a parent who's searching for a restaurant on Google, searching for a hotel on Google, is searching for a school, what would they do? They'll again go to Google, search for schools in Cathedral Road, schools in Chengalpettu, schools in Kelambakam. This is what I help you crack. How can you come in the top three? So, showing you the content. So before coming on to the Google, showing you something what appeals to a parent.
Step into a world of endless possibilities and boundless creativity. A world of learning and fun, where every corner is a vibrant canvas of joy and creativity.
Just by saying admissions open doesn't work in 2026. We need to show the parent what their child is going to achieve inside our school. What is their child going to experience inside our school, and that is what we help our schools showcase, and this is the reason why our schools have been achieving great results, and we have got like over 90% of renewal for social media as a service, which is an amazing thing. Now this is one kind of content. We need to make sure that our school stands out from the content perspective. Because you know what a lot of schools do? They talk about everything when the counselor is talking about admissions, when the parent is talking to the counselor, they talk about infra, amenities, academics, learnings, outcomes. But when somebody sees your content on Instagram, it's not at all at par. And that is where the lack of trust happens. So this is again something that we help you achieve. Now, taking you to an incognito mode and showing you some Google results. So when you search for schools in Kelambakam, Billabong, Chettinad, Milton is what you can see. Now the parent changes the keyword because you cannot know what a parent is going to search, right? So parent is searching for CBSE schools. Again, you find a different list. You search for top schools, again the list changes. And even if you like top CBSE schools in Kelambakam, because the parent tries to find schools near them, right? Again, you see the same thing. Now the question is, how do we get it? And even apart from how do we get it, the question is, what do we get after being there on top, right? What is the outcome? So coming down to the outcome, I'll show you the school's profile. We work with Billabong in Kelambakam. I'm showing you live Google stats. Okay, no company shows you live stats because live stats can go wrong also at times. So just quickly taking you through this. Thoda sa internet connectivity is something that we are trusting over here. Okay. So from the month August to December, let's just open the stats for August to December. What does a school achieve by ranking on top of Google? So this school has got over 304 calls from Google. Now, if you get calls from Google, you would realize out of every 10 calls that you get, 5 are at least for inquiries, right? In this case, consider this to be 3. Out of 10, 3. That is 30%. So 30% of 304 calls is still around 90 odd inquiries through just one thing, that is Google calls. The next thing is chat clicks. A lot of you might not even be knowing that Google offered an option to WhatsApp wherein you can now integrate WhatsApp with Google Business Profile. So 77 people have initiated a conversation on WhatsApp for their school. Now only those people initiate a conversation who are very much interested, right? So the conversion rate of this is at least 10%. So they got 7 to 8 admissions just from this without doing anything else apart from being ranking on top of Google. 2,481 people have clicked on the direction button. Do you know what is the direction button? The Google Maps button. At least 5% of the parents would have visited. So that was 120 odd inquiries from Google Maps without doing anything else apart from just the Google ranking part. And then comes your website clicks. 1,000 people have visited the website. At least 50 to 100 inquiries might have generated from website also. No matter whatever number you calculate, they were easily able to generate 200 to 50 plus inquiries. And that's the reason this year when we asked them, should we do ads on Google? Or should we do ads on Instagram or Facebook? They were like, we don't need it. Because we are naturally ranking on top and we have our admissions full. So this is what a school is able to achieve, that too during August to December. So during the peak months, this number is easily 4x. Now, this is one part. When it comes to content, what kind of content? And before that, everybody, you might be having a brochure in cream color on your table which shows Google or which talks about Google. Something which looks like this. My team is standing on the side. If any one of you needs it, just raise your hand. They'll just pass on the brochure to you so that you can have a look at things that we are talking about over here. Now, talking about the content, and then I'll take you to the insights of what you can achieve.
Good morning, everyone. Bhagavad Gita Slokas.
The art of appealing to parents, telling them that this is the right school without saying we are the school, without saying admissions open. The content needs to look natural. Can you please keep the lights down? Thank you. The content needs to look natural. The parent should not get a feel that you are pushing something to the parent. This is what we help our schools achieve. A lot of us do humongous events, but the problem is we fail miserably at showcasing it. This is what we do for our schools. When you work with us, our team comes, we plan, we script, we shoot, we strategize. It is all on us. This is the kind of content that we help our schools achieve so that your presentation improves. Okay, why am I showing you content again and again? Why does this matter? Okay, I just want you guys to help me with one answer. In which class do you get the maximum admissions? Grade 1? Okay. Anybody for pre-primary? Grade 2? Okay, so major set of admissions that we have seen with schools is definitely grade 1, but it starts from nursery. So nursery to grade 1, you get the maximum chunk of admissions coming in. Now the parent ka age group who has a child of nursery to grade 1, what is the age group of the child, of the parent, sorry? 25 to 35? Max 40? Now this parent who's of the age group 25 to 40, what do they use more, Instagram or Facebook? They use more of Instagram, right? If you have a kid in your house of the same age, you know that they use Instagram. When we talk about Instagram, what do you see more on Instagram? Photos or videos? You see videos. You scroll through reels, right? So now once, if you can recall, if you can resonate to this, once you click on a reel, you just keep scrolling through multiple reels. And this is where Instagram becomes the key game, and on that, reels becomes the key game. And in reels, you will never see shabby quality reels or poor quality reels. You will only see high resolution reels. So this is what we help our schools create. You do events, we'll cover it amazingly. The output needs to talk for your brand. We should not say that we do amazing events. We just need to open our Instagram, show it to the parent, this is what we do. They get a clarity. schools need to create content. So this is what we help our schools achieve. Now I'm giving you a free guide. Anybody who wants to record this would really help you guys with setting up your marketing strategy. If you want to do it with us, great. If not, then you should try at least these things which will help you improve your overall marketing performance. So this is what we call the 3E approach. This is what we are known for. So we call it the educate, engage and evolve approach. Now as a school, who are we trying to educate? We are trying to educate the parent because we are targeting the parent, right? Now there are two kinds of parent. One who is sending their child to a school for the first time. The other one would be a parent who is sending their child to a competitor ka school already. Now when we talk about sending your child to a competitor ka school, they come and meet your counselor. What does your counselor tell them? She tells them ambience, she tells them infra, she tells them all those things. And now what happens is, when a parent sees the same thing on your social media, they don't find it. This is the gap that we help you fix first. So we need to create content which the parent should resonate with, or wherein they can imagine their child at that kid's place. The other kind of content for a new parent is what? A new parent struggles with understanding the brand. The new parent struggles with, my child is not sleeping on time, my child doesn't wake up on time, my child is cranky, my child is hyperactive, right? You might be facing all these issues as principals in 2025-26. So what we help our schools do is, we help you create content which helps you talk directly to these problems of your parent. And this is where you create a connection quickly, because now the parent is able to understand what you guys want to pitch it to them, or now the parent starts taking in your own objectives, your own perceptions, and they try to fix all these problems. So this is the thing. Once you start educating the audience, your audience starts engaging with your profile, and automatically your business evolves. And this is what we call the educate, engage and evolve approach. Now what all things you need to do as a school? So the most important thing is point number 6. Just like how you create academic calendars now, you need to create marketing calendars. So what we do for our schools is, we understand what are you going to do across the month. We tell you what is happening in the market. We fuse both things together and we create a customized marketing plan for your brand. Once that is done, we take care of your Facebook, Instagram and Google profiles. We help you with designing, activity planning, engagement kaise build karna hai, Google pe ranking, how do we need to improve, captions, hashtags, Google and Facebook ads, manage, optimizing, all of those things are on us. And the end goal is automatically lead generation. If you follow this process, there is no one who can stop you. This is a trial and tested method. Last year we helped 5 CBSE schools launch and over 10 plus preschools launch, and our success rate is 95%, which was amazing. Now you can just go through this. There are different packages in the brochure that you have in your hands. If in case you are interested, you can reach out to us. Thank you so much for listening to me.